Hello all, welcome to Filidian family. Today we're gonna do a special vlog, kind of a special. It's like Laila is gonna put a new tattoo, two tattoos, very small ones. She wants to put. It's a surprise. You will see the tattoo. It's better, right? Raj, how about you? You want a tattoo?
What tattoo I here?
No, you're very small to have a tattoo.
Yeah.
You have it when you're big.
Yeah, big
If you ever put a tattoo in your body, I'm gonna give you nicely, okay?
Yep. Yep.
Uh-huh. Is this a present which was been here for 1 year? After 1 year, you're giving a present to someone. Doesn't fit. Finally, we got the bag for the trip.
What? What is this?
Some banana chips. Nice. You guys ready?
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Do what?
Let's do it.
Do what?
To the
Tattoos.
tattoo. Going back because forgot the present as usual. Oh, that is it. It's here. Let's go. You too. Take a left from here. So we did our first tattoo in Philippines. I did mine like this Sagittarius symbol, and she did. What is your tattoo?
Raj the king.
King Raj.
Where is it?
It's here. Yeah. So I want to develop this because it's very small and sometimes it looks like a dollar sign. So I want to develop this one. So we'll ask the tattoo artist whether he can do it. So let's see. We are at the place where we do tattoo. Parked here. Don't know. There is no parking at all here. So I just park like this. Hopefully it's okay.
Do you know her name, Raj?
What?
Did you ask her her name?
What's her name? Shanto. Yeah, her name is Shanto.
How about your name?
What's your name?
is Raj.
Say nice.
So we gave the design to him. He's making different sizes of that design, which she's gonna do it on the back of her neck.
No, I'm not the king.
He's making something nice.
I am player.
These are the colors which is used. You can see many colors like green, purple and stuff.
Oh, you want to go out? You want to go out? You stay here. I want to see you.
Why are 300? Wait,
That's
it
nice.
makes some like rock thing. I'm just going to watch TV. I don't have. Oh.
Di tulad nung
Hey, look at my book. Look at this. Ting, 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 tinky, tinky, ting.
ano na nagastos mo dun sa collections.
In the fifth
Medyo
one.
nakamugang.
Okay lang yan.
I don't like to see the process. It's Filipino and half India.
Indian.
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 But why did he?
But why can't you speak Tagalog?
I only speak. Okay, I could. Maybe it has.
Okay, that's good.
That's a cross.
What was that?
There was a scar there. So this is actually a scar cover up.
Okay.
So it's cross because I'm a Christian.
Just,
And I have one here.
okay, that is for.
Right here.
Yeah, that's for.
It's a tribute to my mom.
Mm,
It shows, have you seen the letter E?
yeah, so that's my.
That's my mom's initial. Her name is Edna.
Okay, that's good. What is this guy doing here? He's fighting or?
Oh. Talaga dyan.
Huh?
But I'm planning to put a flower maybe. I don't know, we'll see.
Now we are hungry. We're gonna eat our dinner. It's late now, 8 o'clock. Raj, what do you want to eat? You want French fries?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Papa, what I'm thinking I'm saying? I'm thinking I'm saying yeah.
What is it? Okay, we're gonna eat something now. Let's go and have something.
I'm playing something.
Give me the other.
We are heading towards
Hungry hippos.
Hungry hippos or hungry hippo?
Hungry hippopotamus.
Ottamanas. What is that? Hungry hippopotamus. But we're not going to eat in hungry hippo. We're going to eat in Henry's chicken. This is Henry's.
Henry's.
Sorry, Henry's. Oh, we got a parking. Very good. This is your next tattoo? What is
Yeah,
it?
but it's gonna be the family. Lee will be our family name, L-E-E. It's family.
Okay. Now we are here to have some tea from Chai Kada, our favorite tea shop. Tea!
No, my favorite tea shop is Korean Karak.
Korean Karak is only Karak, no Samor chai.
Yeah, but it's a tea shop. He said our favorite tea shop.
Your favorite tea shop. Mine is here.
Mine is Korean Karak.
First.
They have nice sandwiches also.
Mhm.
And their omali is so good.
Mhm. Let me take it. It's a tea.
Thank you.
That's a Samor chai.
You.
Oh,
It's okay.
Can I? 6?
April.
8? Okay. I thought it's stingy. The tea's here. When you drink the tea, ah,
Hmm?
nostalgia. When you drink the tea, nostalgic. Am I right or am I right?
You're left.